right, you guys, what are we gonna do?
Unleash the power of the chicken!
Yeah!
Yep, it's gonna be awesome.
It's gonna be awesome. Okay, so we've got our chicken run all set up now. The chickens are still in the greenhouse. We've got a little tunnel to get them to the tunnel. And then we're gonna have them help us to get rid of all the grass and weeds in this area. The reason we want to start here for the season is I'm gonna plant a bunch of asparagus along here, and I don't want all the grass. So the new asparagus comes in about 3 weeks. By the time that comes, you see what the grass looks like. Inside that tunnel, it'll be down to pretty much nothing, and the chickens will devour that within the next few weeks and have it ready for me to plant my asparagus. Okay, so we've had the tunnel system stacked up like this to store for the winter, so we're gonna go ahead and get them put out.
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah! Well, they're out here accessing the tunnel now, starting to eat the grass, starting to claw around, which is great. I'll do an update over the next week or so and show you how well they start to eat all this grass inside there. You can see there's tons of grass, and that'll all be gone in time for me to plant my asparagus in this row.